Tómame la mano que tú eres cosa buena. Esta noche quiero bailar sobre la arena. No sé una ajena, no sé nada más. Ven pa' acá, ven pa' acá. Y ahora, tómame la mano que tú eres cosa buena. Esta noche quiero bailar sobre la arena. No sé una ajena, no sé.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And my name is Shweta, and today I am going to show you the inside look of my sketchbook. Thank you for subscribing my channel. If you didn't subscribe, just subscribe now. So I'm super excited to share the sketchbook with you guys. So this is my sketchbook, and in the first page I have drawn a girl sitting under a tree. So the second one is a small heart, and I drew this for my family members. And this is an anime drawing, my first anime drawing of a girl. And this is my favorite drawing. This is an animation. This is also an animation drawing of a boy. I have done dark shading over here and light shading using a paper I have just rubbed here. And this is also my favorite animation drawing of another anime boy. So this is my favorite drawing, one of my favorite drawing, and this is a girl wearing BTS hoodie dress. And this is also an animation drawing of a girl, and in this you can see the eyes. In the eyes I've left this space here, and I've done dark drawing here, and this is the bun, hair bun for the girl. So this is a manga, the Japanese series character of a girl, and she's been wearing a ribbon which I have given dark shading, and her eyes also I have given this here dark shading, and here light shading, and here no shading. And this is the Korean traditional girl handbook drawing. These Korean traditional girl wearing like traditional dresses are called as handbook drawing. And here you have the spring. In the spring season only in Korea this flower will be bloomed out. So this is a Chinese girl, a Chinese drawing of a girl, and these houses are mainly, they are found in China, and these flowers also are bloomed in the spring season in China. So let's move on with my another book of drawings. And this is my another book of my drawing, my sketchbook. So this is my another sketchbook. So in this, the first I have drawn a manga drawing of an anime character. So in these places I have given dark shading, and here also I gave dark shading, and in middle, if the drawing is so small, you can use the earbuds and just rub in these places, so the shading will be going even in these places. And this is an anime character of a girl. She's a school-going girl, and here the eyes is also very small. We need to draw very minute, so that you need to ensure that our pencil tip is very sharp. So this is a traditional drawing of a girl. I have just drawn half book. You can see none of the spaces is there at the side. So this is the half side of a traditional Indian girl. And this is a Korean poetic warrior. He is a poetic warrior character. So in this you can see these chains and his costume. This shows him that he is little dirty because he's been doing war in the poetic warrior time. And this is a boy wearing the mask. We can't forget these pandemic situation. So I just imagine that we should not forget in the lifetime about this COVID. So I have drawn a boy putting a mask. So this is also one of my favorite drawing, and this is a traditional girl, and the main highlight part in this drawing is her eyes. Please focus in her eyes. In that you can see her eyes is very here I have given dark shading. You can ensure that no part of the pencil shading goes inside this part, and you need to do dark highlighting color. And this is also her hairband. and this is one of my favorite and most favorite drawing, and this is the Japanese series Attack on Titans, and he is known as the Colossal Titan. He's been attacking the Eren. So you know this is very this is the drawing, and here I have given a dark shading near his eyes, and most of that you need to ensure that don't use scale for this part, putting the line, and you can just do it focusedly. And this is his teeth. His teeth is very big, and this is his jaw. So that's all of my drawing, and thank you guys for seeing this video, and let us meet in another interesting video. Until then, this is Shweta signing off. Stay home, stay safe.